we teach people what it would be like to work with us in the future when we have one-to-ones. It's not just that 1 hour from 11 to 12 on that Tuesday. It's a sneak peek into, wow, if I send Faith Ann a referral, it's going to be a great experience because she's giving me a great experience now. No scavenger hunts. So when you're doing the inviting, don't say we met at the meeting. We met at the networking meeting. I'd love to sit down and have a one-to-one with you. So instead, we met at this location, this restaurant with this organization, and about what time it was. We met recently, we met last week, we met last Monday. All of that is helpful, and it means that the person who's getting that email or that message doesn't have to go on a scavenger hunt in their brain to figure out where they met you. So too much information is better than not enough. So that's number 9. No scavenger hunts. We don't like them. They're great for birthday parties with 11-year-olds. They're terrible for busy business owners who have too much on their plate most of the time already. So be clear.